Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove phone number on Discord. In order to remove phone number on Discord, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, open up your Discord application. So if you're doing it from your mobile phone, either way the procedure is gonna remain the same. Only slight changes. Just make sure to stick with us right till the end. So actually I'm doing it from the web browser. So if you're doing it from a web browser, you'll need to open up a browser and on the web address bar type in discord.com. After that, make sure that you're logged into your Discord account. After you're logged into your Discord account, you'll be directed to the chat page. Right on this page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon from the bottom left hand side corner. So in order to remove your phone number, first of all, you need to make sure that you've already added a secondary phone number or an email address to your Discord account. So after you tap on the gear icon, it's going to take you to the settings page. Over here you can see you have your profile information. So if you want to remove your phone number, you can just see that I've already added the email. But if you've not added the email, first of all, you need to add that just by tapping on add button, entering your email, and you also need to confirm it by entering the code that will be sent through this particular email that you've added, and the email will be added to your Discord. Once the email has been added, you can just simply remove the phone number by tapping on the remove button. For the confirmation, you'll need to type in the password and click on the remove button. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you've successfully removed your phone number. In that way, you can remove your phone number on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.